All right, guys, we are in Divide Creek Campground, which is in Babb, Montana. And we are on this incredible, beautiful river.
No, we can stay right here. They can cover ground real quick. So I'm gonna stay.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our Average Wild Experience.
Hidden Lake Trail. Nice to the overlook. 1.3 miles. 90% covered in snow. Got our spikes on.
First time using them. Big old snow hill.
90% snow covered.
I've seen a lot of people fall. So we figured we'd have them and might as well use them.
Might as well use them before we have an issue. Right?
Or a wet butt.
Or a wet butt. They're definitely helping, I will say. It is wild looking. Forgot a hat. Stole Megan's headband for the day. So sure, that looks good. Well, I suppose I have no choice, huh? Frank, well, why couldn't the rest of the path be like this? We have arrived to Hidden Lake. Live snow climbing, loose gravel climbing, and one snow sled to get here. But we made it. It's Sunday morning. We're starting another hike. We're going to Iceberg Lake, and boy is it buggy. Before we even got out of the car was swarmed by mosquitoes, so that was fun getting ready.
Definitely got a couple of them.
Yeah. Look at all beautiful bear grass.
Bear grass only blooms about a month a year. So I think, according to like the chart that I saw, it's a little bit early this year. But just crazy. It's so gorgeous.
More beautiful views. Yeah. Nope, that's not a deer. Iceberg Lake. Look how crystal clear and blue this water is. There are rocks on that iceberg ledge out there.
As you can see, Iceberg Lake is absolutely gorgeous. Like 10 out of 10 recommend this hike. Pretty easy, 5 miles in. Definitely some elevation gain, but not too bad. If we had come just a few weeks later even, this water gets so crystal blue. But it's kind of hard to tell because of all the icebergs that are in the lake. So definitely not exactly what I was expecting compared to the last time I did this hike, but still absolutely stunning, and really glad we got to do this, and really glad I got to do this with my hubby. Even though he looks like some kind of failed pirate with that do-rag thing on his head.
Yeah. My head got burnt yesterday, and I didn't want a hat, so this is the alternative.
Oh, it's something. Bear country.
We get just guided out by a park ranger. Apparently there was a couple bear sightings here right behind us.
Past couple days, and the family in front of us saw them, so they shut the trail down, so good thing we did it now.
They shut down at 9:15. We were up well before then.
Yeah.
So park rangers came and were clearing a path, and we were headed back and ran into them. So they guided us out past the So this is what we were talking about, that we had gotten escorted out of the trouble area.
They said that yesterday they saw a couple bears. We're gonna focus this one.
Yeah.
So yesterday they saw a couple bears. They were like literally gnashing their teeth at people. And then today they said that there was a family that came and reported that they also saw a bear. So that's why they closed the trail around 9:15, and they had those two rangers came up and got the rest of us that were still at the lake. So they said that this happens multiple times every summer, just because that's what the bears do. They go down to the water and then they go back up into the mountains where it's cooler, and it's been so hot. It gets so hot this time of year that that's what they do.
Bears don't like people invading their space. Weird.
Yeah.
So it's not just this trail. Megan, when she was here with her family in 2016, couldn't get to some of the other trails that they wanted to because of bear activity. So it's not just this trail, it's all over, like we said before.
But
this is the wilderness.
Yeah, and he said that the ranger said that this trail is very common to be closed, so I guess we're just lucky that we got to do it.
Yeah. So over here, and the trail's not closed, definitely check it out because it may be one of the few times that you can do it. It's our last morning in the park, Monday morning. So sad.
Yeah, I'm not ready to leave yet.
We had some storms roll in early this morning. Some crazy lightning storms going on as well, so we kind of hung back a little bit, waited for it to get daylight, and now we're here getting some pictures of it because it's crazy different. Also a little cold, so we're gonna hit the road.